Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenza on TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Legends Bay 0. I'm joined by
Yam from Mlazi. Yeah, Peter.
Uthini?
Always Kosi.
Uthini ndo?
Always Kosi. Okay.
Kade
Kade ngizobuka ibhola ne?
Yeah.
Kade ngile ngiyobuka ibhola lapha Kingzwelithini.
Yeah.
Ibimnandi igame yase Kingzwelithini.
Yeah.
Namhlanje mfethu ya pretty disappointed ngama substitutes ka coach. Yeah. Kiphumbule. Yes, uyawa Kiphumbule. Ufaka uvuleka lapha. Okay, mbuyele lana mfethu. Hugo Bros. I'm so disappointed. Hugo Bros uphusha uHele Mkhelele. Une agenda lapha. Ilete ne Pirates leya. Manje uyathi vele lapha khona imali etholakala ngongene ekhapela lo. Ayikho. Kufanele. Ichiefs. 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 Ayikho.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?